Good morning, Charlie with MarineMax, Fort Myers, Florida. Wanted to take you through this beautiful Azimuth 40 Verve this morning. Just a few quick specifications about the boat that might interest you. 12.5 feet wide, not including this fantastic flip down side that I'm standing on here. Boat's 42 feet length overall, 475 gallons of fuel, 250 nautical mile range. From the Verado 350s triples. With joystick, this boat has a lot of really fantastic features that make it a great option for sort of that hybrid weekender and center console approach. So covers a lot of bases, and I'm glad to be able to take you through it this morning. So as we enter the cockpit here, you'll notice the refined design approach that they've taken with this boat. It's no more typical vinyl throughout the cockpit. This is a new fabric that they've been using on a lot of their larger boats. It's called Betaline. It dries really fast. The boat's well laid out to entertain lots of people on a nice day. You have refrigeration to starboard, wet bar here on the port side of the boat with an ice maker. This seat's an interesting concept as well. You can slide it forward to make it an inclusive portion of the dining experience, or when you're underway or otherwise, you can lock it into this position, giving you access to one of the two bilge compartments. Some technical features that I'd like to point out this morning are related to the hardware that's on the boat. You've seen the joystick before, Verado 350, fantastic system equipped with Skyhook, joystick docking, autopilot's all synced right into here, really easy, straightforward system. Another unique feature of this boat in the 40-foot segment is Seakeeper. This boat packages a lot of things in a 40-foot package. Characteristic of this boat is the actual door to the master stateroom. In 40 feet, typically you step down into a cabin and there's a lounging area that turns into a bed only. This boat has that in addition to this.